Don't start a Shopify site until you see this video. I want to prevent you from making a few different mistakes I see people make over and over again. So in this video, we're going to look at some good websites on Shopify and some bad, and I'm going to give you some quick tips on everything you need to know before you get started on how you can be successful with Shopify. Now, obviously I can't tell you everything in the world, but let me give you the condensed down version of the most common mistakes I see people making. So number one, they have nothing that makes their company, their brand special. If you have nothing that makes your website special, people aren't gonna shop from your Shopify site. They're gonna go onto Amazon to buy their stuff. So you need to be special. Number two, you need to be niched down. Amazon is already the everything store. You cannot be the everything store. Unless you have a few $1 billion that you can spend like Jet.com did, and if you don't know about Jet.com, they're still not as big as Amazon, and they'll probably go out of business. They probably will never topple Amazon. But they had a lot of money. I think at least $1 billion. I could be wrong on that number, but they're still not as successful as Amazon. So don't try to be an everything store. Niche down, sell a very specific thing. Number three, build a tribe of people that love your company and are willing to basically spread the message for you. Do all the marketing. I see so many people start Shopify sites without any kind of a tribe around them. It's easier to build the tribe first and then create the site. You don't need to do it that way, but it makes it easier. So number four, have some kind of a traffic plan. How are you going to get people to your website? I do have a video up here about ways to get traffic to your website because that blows so many people's mind. But we'll talk in depth about that in a future video, or click the video up here. So what are some of the other common mistakes that I see people making? One of the things they do over and over again is they sell too many products. If they're selling too many products that are totally unrelated, what I mean by this is maybe they're selling shoes and clothes and phone cases and jewelry and some other random junk. You don't want to do that. You want to sell in the beginning a very small set of things. You need to follow good design rules. When you have a poorly designed website, people don't trust you. They're not going to put their credit card into a website that looks poorly designed. And there's some simple things that you can do that's going to make a huge difference and make people trust you. Another thing is no social proof. And that's fine in the early stages, but try to get some social proof on your website. And what I mean by that is testimonials, reviews, all that kind of fun things. So last but not least, don't cheap out. Don't think that you can start a business and it's gonna be making money right away and that you're not gonna have to spend any money into it. If you are broke, don't start a Shopify site. If you are barely living paycheck to paycheck, this isn't for you. If you think it's gonna be flip a switch, you're gonna be making a ton of money, don't start a Shopify website. With all that being said, if you think that you can do it, which I guarantee you can, I think anyone can start a successful online store as long as they have the ability to watch videos like these, have the ability to learn from their mistakes, you can be successful with an online business. So if that is the case, don't cheap out. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you probably already know about Shopify. 100%, the best thing you can do is take that next baby step. If you have an idea, go buy the domain name. Once you've bought the domain name, go ahead and sign up for Shopify, or you could sign up for Shopify first. Once you sign up for Shopify, build the website. I do have a video here where I built a Shopify site in just 4 minutes. Super easy. Shopify makes it very easy to do. Once you've built the website, start creating a marketing plan. Whatever stage you're at, figure out what the next step is and do it. And so with that being said, if you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, I have links right here for you. 14-day free trial, risk-free, all that kind of stuff. That way you can at least take the next baby step. And maybe you don't convert it to a paid plan, maybe you're not ready for that yet, that's fine. At least get your feet wet, at least jump in the door. And if you use either one of my links, I do get a credit, I get a small bit of credit. So as a thank you for using my link, which costs you nothing, you get a free 14-day trial. It only costs you if you convert it to a Shopify page, which it's gonna cost you either way. So if you use either one of my links, I will give you a free one-on-one 30-minute consultation session to help you set up your website. I want you guys to be successful. I want anyone that watches my videos to be successful as they can with Shopify. So with all that being said, you can click my links to sign up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I release a ton of videos and I try to pack them all with as much information as possible to help out as many people as possible. That's the only reason I'm doing this. And I have a free e-commerce success pack. You can click up here. I got a link up here or down below in the show notes. It includes a checklist for starting your online store, including a checklist to make sure you're not making the most common mistakes that I see people make over and over and over again. So you can get that checklist and it's got a bunch of other cool stuff like marketing ideas. You can get that up here. Last but not least, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. I literally answer every single one. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and make sure to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. See you on the next video.